Quebrada Honda House by Abarca Palma Arquitectos in FRUTILLAR, Chile. A single-family home located on the southern hillside of Domeyko Bay in front of the Llanquihue's lake views. These two characteristics are the main issues that define the order and shape of the house. Given the need to have the most public venues with a frontal view of the lake, the main spaces are arranged in the front. Likewise, the staggered strategy responds to the topography of the hillside with a volume that descends diagonally through the slope, maximizing the capture of the northern sun to counteract the few hours of sun from southern facades. The volume goes down with the ground in 4 levels, from the most private to the most public areas. Only half levels separate the first 3 platforms: the master bedroom in the first, the children's bedrooms and study room in the second, and the kitchen, laundry room, dining, and living room on the third as the most public level, which opens completely to the lake. On the 4th level, there's the storage, parking, and main access. Spatially, the 3 interior levels are conceived as a sequence of spaces connected by a side stairway that intermittently descends, resulting in a continuous space on the north facade. The north, west, and east facades consider greater openings through the exposed timber structure. In contrast, the south facade was designed with punctual and directed openings. The entire volume is inscribed under an inclined roof according to the slope, which protects the house from rain and wind with perimeter eaves. The constructive proposal consists of a mixed prefabricated system based on SIP panels, as a thermal envelope of 160 mm considering slabs, walls, and roof. Exposed timber structures were used for pillars, diagonals, beams, and window frames. Foundations and containments are made up of a reinforced concrete wall at the base. The upper platforms are supported by an isolated foundation that supports a mixed structure of steel and timber beams that holds the SIP slab on each platform. In the interiors, timber elements were combined with white finishing walls and ceilings. The corrugated zinc exterior cladding, both on the facade and on the roof, provides material continuity on all its opaque faces, combining with exposed timber elements behind the glazed facades.